1, 2, 3. Oh no. 1, 2, 3. Thank you. Whoa. You destroyed that one. Okay, see, we'll open one egg at a time. Because we got way too much eggs. Let me see. Gumball. Gumball. Let's see, we got a dial for gum. Like a telephone booth Gumball here. And then Eli got more toys. Easter bunny. Easter bunny. So cute. You want the stress ball? The splat ball. Whoop, 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 whoop. How about that? Whoa. This thing is heavy. This thing is hard. Candy full egg. Bubble gum. Bubble gum. Oh look. Smells good too. Oh, this one is brains. Brains. You want to open it? Alright, let's open it. Open. Alright, open. Open one of the splat stuff. Eli, look. Whoa. Whoa, look at that. Ooh. Is it your eyeball? Is it the eyeball? Ah! Whoa! Is it even the eyeball? Oh, you like that so much, huh? Squishy ball? Is it squishy? Is it your eyeball? Like that too. That's not food. Hey, let's open this other one. Since he's actually trying to... Whoa. Hey, let's go open this. Whoa. What? Eyeball. Hello. Oh. So you can use the telephone. Are you calling Deadpool? Are you trying to call Deadpool for help? Oh. Good job. Eli, say hello. 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 Let's see. This is actually pretty cool. He's cheating. He just want to get the Gumball out. Oh, we're gonna have to remove the Gumballs inside first. Alright, hold on. Let me call somebody. Let me call somebody. Whoa. Oh, I miss this old phone. One. I keep forgetting it. It's been a while, but I want to say shout out to Isabella. Say shout out to Isabella, Eli. You want to use the telephone? Alright, so let's see if we can take it out. Oh, actually. Alright, let's see. Oh, Alright, oh, there you go. Whoa. Gum. I think they're double bubble too, or they look like double bubble, but see, this is another one. Let's take the other ones out. You want to get it out? You can take it out. Whoa! Now it's empty. Oh no. There you go. That's how it looks like when it's empty. And you dial it and then something's gonna come out here if you dial it. Whoa, okay, let's put one bag in there. So we got like 5 bags of gum. 5 bags, including the one that Eli have and trying to open. So we'll see. Oh, he finally got one open. So he can have one this time. It's like had so many last time. So we'll try to put them in there. Yeah. Let me see if I could dial. Let's see. Oh, actually, you know what? Is it yummy? You got one. Alright, so there you go. There you have it. We got gum in there. Alright, we got one gum. Can you dial? Can you dial so you can get one Gumball out? Good job, Eli. Dial. Dial like this. Here. I'm gonna dial out for him. And oh. Whoa! Gumball. We got one Gumball out. Hold on. Get the Gumball out. Whoa. Okay, that's enough for you. Mama's gonna need to have one too. Mama needs to dial. I'll call. Let's see. Let's call. Whoa. Oh, there's no Gumball yet. You know what? I'm gonna try to open and see if I could dial. Whoa. Can you dial? Here, let me help you. So, dial. Oh. Whoa! Look at that. Oh no! Purple. Oh, you can play with this. That's fine. Let me see. Let's see. Easter! Oh look, Eli poops. It should poop, but nothing's coming out yet. Huh? Oh yeah, we're here all the time. Let's see, it should come out, but it's not coming out. I think we might have to open the tummy. We need to operate with, oh, look at that. I think I found out now. So right here, bunny, and then you can like open this and then, whoa, there's 2 that came out. Look at that, Eli. Is it good? He wasn't sure. So look at that. Whoa, so this is how you open and close it. So you close it like this and then you open it like that, and then you push it down. Oh, the bunny's constipated. It won't. Oh, there you go. There you go. I just gotta push it harder. You gotta look at that. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, you got diarrhea. Ah, no, no, look at that. No. Whoa. Look at that. That bunny got a diarrhea. It's not gonna help it, but look. That's the bunny diarrhea. Yeah. That is so funny. No, I don't want it. Smells good though, but I don't want no candy. Oh no, it's all over the place now. No more. Oh no. None more. You just call. Alright, let's call Chuck E. Cheese. Wanna call Chuck E. Cheese? Go Chucky. Oh, you got all tangled up. Oh, there you go. Go Chucky. Say hello, Chucky. Alright, let's go call Chucky, okay? Let's dial Chuck E. Cheese's number. Oh, it's so hard. There you go. Hello. Hello, hello. He's trying to get away. Trying to get away. Alright, Miss. Eli, give him a hug. Give him a hug. Chucky wants to get a high five. Yeah, you didn't say high five. Look at that, they're so cute.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for the dance. Dance for Chuck E.
You guys ready? Are you guys ready?
Damn!
You put your hands in the air. And you bob side to side. And you give yourself a high five. You give yourself a high five. And you check really high. And you go like low. Give yourself a high five again. Give yourself a high five again. And you quit. And you hand down, you go to the left. To the left, to the right, and right, and right. To the left, right, left, left, right, left, Can you do it? Move. Move. Should we do it again? Yeah. We'll do it 2 more times, a free ticket. Can you do it? Off to the side. Give yourself a high five. High five. Check really high. Maybe wiggle like a lot. Wiggle. Give yourself a high five. Give yourself a high five. Can you whip for me? Get on ground. And you go really good. You up and down. Up and down. Way up. Give yourself a high five. High five. Sit really high. Hit me all you want. Give some high five again.
Okay,
Give some high five.
man, you gotta run. How you win, dude. You win.
Eli!
Up and down. Can everyone please have a seat for me?
You try.
Yeah. Yeah. Yes, good job. High five. Alright, on the count of 3, we're gonna scream Chucky rocks. You guys ready?
Chucky rocks!
Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3.